Hello viewers, welcome to Kritu's Cake House. Today's recipe is white pound cake, also called as tea cake. This is called as a pound cake because a pound of eggs, butter, sugar and cake flour is being used. So today we are going to use 150 grams each of eggs, butter, sugar and the flour. Come, let's get started. Let's take the butter first, 150 grams of butter. Let's mix it now. Next, into the bowl we are adding 150 grams of sugar. Add gradually. Beat this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to add eggs one by one. We are adding 3 eggs. Beat this well so that there is no traces of eggs found. Now let's add the second egg. Now let's add the third egg. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Bring it all in between. Now we'll add vanilla essence and we are going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. You can also replace this milk with milk powder. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredient. Now we are going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. And to this mixture we are going to add the cake flour. Let's add it in batches. So now let's use the spatula to fold the flour. Now mix it well. This is the consistency the batter should be. The cake batter is ready. Now let's transfer it into the cake mold. I have greased this loaf pan with butter. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video is useful and you like it. Do try this recipe and post your comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you then. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.